Alright, I'm actually sitting in my truck here. It's cold here. This video is for Mr. Dankowski. I'm going to put this on your forum. There seems to be some questions concerning the ground balance on this machine when used on a beach, as far as, I guess, the tracking and the auto ground balance. So I'm going to put this video up here and I'm going to ask a few questions because I think this is the questions people might need answers to. Okay, Mr. Dankowski has already made reference, I believe, inert sand, inert ground. This machine, if you turn it on in default settings, the ground balance is 0, it's not going to do anything. It's not going to change. That would also apply to tracking, okay? So here's a few questions. Let's say a person is hunting dry sand on a beach, no salt. What is the best program to use looking for smaller gold and gold rings? Is it in fact a saltwater beach program, or should a person use a land-based program? Number 2, if a person does decide to use a salt beach program, and let's say they go down to the water's edge using this machine and it tracking on or it's auto ground balance, and a person then moves up into the dry sand inert, can a person expect this machine to track to 0 on its own? And if a person decides to use the saltwater beach program up in the inert sand with a ground balance of 0 and they have tracking on and they go to the wet salt sand, can they expect this machine to track on its own to the mineralization in the wet salt sand? Those are some questions I think if you answer Mr. Dankowski, it'll clear some things up for people. I've not reviewed the owner's manual in detail in this area. I don't saltwater beach hunt. I thought we might try this route here and maybe it'll help people out, okay?